On the south side of modern Rosh HaAyin lies a remarkably preserved Iron Age II farmhouse dating to the 8th century BC, excavated in 2015 by the Israel Antiquities Authority. The structure spans over 1,200 square meters with a central courtyard, 23 rooms, and a clear evidence of industrial agriculture. Winepresses, olive oil installations, and a large grain silo. Continued use into the Persian and Hellenistic periods include a coin of Alexander the Great, reflects the site's long-term importance. Let's explore the site on the ground. First, we'll start from the southern wall. And this is, according to the excavation report, room number 3, which is along the wall. Then we turn towards the north. We go through the courtyard, which is room number 2, and continuing on to the north, we get to the entrance, which is on the northern wall, and that's also room number 1. We turn then to west and go through room number 4, 5, and room number 6. Turning again to the southeast, along the western wall are rooms 7, 8, and 9. Later phase, a western wing was added with 4 more rooms and a silo. Here are the new rooms. And then there's the Iron Age grain silo, which was later used as a lime kiln. The silo is 3.4 meters in diameter and 80 centimeters in depth. The external walls are quite wide. They're 1.4 meter wide, and they're made of 2 lines of large fieldstones with smaller stones as a fill between them. On the east side is a later period installation, which is a lime kiln built in the Ottoman period, and it used the stones of the farmhouse to burn and create lime. So this was a secondary later use.